Imagine this. You just got paid. For a brief moment, you feel rich. Then 48 hours later, your account drops back to almost zero. No emergency. No bad decisions. No crazy spending. Just life. Now here's the scary part. What if the problem isn't your income, but everything you own? Picture two people. Same city. Same rent. Same cost of living. But completely different lives. Person A makes good money. Nice apartment. Big TV. Closet full of clothes. But every month feels like survival. Person B makes almost half. Smaller setup. Fewer things. But sleeps peacefully. They have savings. They invest. They're not afraid of emergencies. Same world. Different reality. So what's the difference? It's not discipline. It's not luck. It's a hidden system that silently controls your money. Here's the truth most people never realize. Every single thing you own is charging you rent. Not just financially. Mentally. Emotionally. Physically. And the more you own, the more your life costs to maintain. This is why some people feel rich on less, and others feel broke on more. When you buy something, you don't just pay once. You pay forever. That gym equipment? Costs space. That space? Costs rent. That item? Costs attention. Maintenance. Cleaning. Stress. And the biggest cost? Opportunity. That $1,000 you spent could have been $5,000 later. So the real question is never, can I afford this? It's, what is this replacing in my future? Most people think they're buying things. They're actually selling their future. Let's destroy impulse buying in 10 seconds. Before you buy anything, ask, how many times will I use this? That $200 item used twice? $100 per use. That $500 item used every day? Almost nothing per use. Suddenly, cheap becomes expensive. And expensive becomes smart. This one question alone can cut your spending in half. Walk into your room. Look at everything you own. Now ask, if this disappeared today, would I buy it again? Be honest. Because most of your stuff? You wouldn't replace. Which means, it has no real value in your life. Only weight. You don't own clutter. Clutter owns your time, space, and peace. Your phone works. Your car works. Your TV works. But you still feel like upgrading. Why? Because boredom feels like a problem. And marketing sells you the solution. But here's the truth, boredom is not a reason to spend money. It's a signal. You need stimulation, not consumption. Right now, spending is too easy. One tap. One click. One swipe. So you lose money without thinking. Minimalists flip this. They make spending difficult. And make saving automatic. Because your environment is stronger than your willpower. Want something? Wait 24 hours. That's it. Most purchases are emotional. And emotions expire fast. If you still want it tomorrow, then it might actually matter. Here's where people get stuck forever. They earn more, so they spend more. Then they need to earn even more, just to maintain that life. It never ends. Unless you define one word. Enough. What is enough for you? Not society. Not social media. You. Because if you don't define it, the world will define it for you. And it will always be more. Let's redefine wealth. Wealth isn't stuff. It's freedom. Freedom to say no. Freedom to walk away. Freedom to breathe. The less you need, the richer you become. At the start, I showed you two lives. Same city. Different outcomes. Now you know why. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and how little owns you. So the next time you're about to buy something, pause. And ask yourself, is this improving my life or quietly controlling it? If you want more videos that completely change how you think about money, subscribe to the Visual Finance. Because the less you chase things, the faster you build freedom.